Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste, and hi everyone. This is probably the best Earth Day in the recent years. Dolphins in the waters of Mumbai's Marine Drive, Nilgai near the mall in Noida, olive ridley turtles in lakhs nesting on Orissa shores, the small Indian civet on the zebra crossing in Kozhikode, the spotted deers in herds on the Ghat section of Tirupati, and swamp deers in Chandigarh and Uttarakhand residential area. The reports say the animals have come into human territory. Is it so? Or are they just reclaiming their space? 1969, a few months before humans landed on the moon, the greatest oil spill near Santa Barbara killed thousands of birds and animals, leading us for the need of environmental awareness. Ever since, hundreds of forums, thousands of seminars, and millions of volunteers, and lesson not learnt yet. In the last 50 years, the wildlife population has further deteriorated by 60%. We haven't realized that cutting a tree is not just affecting the rain pattern in the region, but also the melting of ice far away in Antarctica. Homo sapiens, that is, we humans, have exploited every resource in the world, forgetting that this planet is home to millions of other species too. We have either conveniently forgotten or blissfully ignorant about the connection of different habitats that circles back to our survival. I wish we taught this survival science and ecosystems to our kids in the schools more than pushing them to score marks. For this world has enough for everyone's need, but not for their greed, like Gandhiji put it. If we think this pandemic has hit us real bad, think again. There is much deeper a reason. Our selfishness is being reflected. Mother Nature can go to any extent to save her family because she knows humans are just one of her children and she has many other children to save. So, what is that we can do as children? We can be the change. We can help our mother to save this family. For that, today I am taking a pledge. I pledge that I will learn organic agriculture and spread the awareness to keep our soil fertile and chemical free, and also participate in the forest restoration projects in the Nilgiris Biosphere Reserve. Please do share your pledge in the comments and also spread the awareness to as many people as possible. Let's seek the truth, know the impact, and do what is required. Thank you.